Yo guys, welcome to me making my own manga on phone day 38 to 40. And before the video starts, let me tell you that this is my first time doing voiceover. So tell in the comments should I continue or not, and without any further delay, let's begin the video. And it was the start of the second chapter of my manga, and I wanted to make a grand intro panel. Here's the base sketch. At this point it was over 1 hour and I didn't make any significant progress. I don't even know what's this even supposed to be. This was getting really frustrating and I didn't even know what to do, so I just decided to trust the process. And if you're watching till this point guys, please subscribe to support my manga. After drawing 11 hours non-stop, the panel was finally over, and to be honest, this was by far my best panel. As the intro panel was finally out of the way, I started drawing the first panel. And this panel only took around 4 hours to complete.